part 2 of doing the hair. So today we will be doing the beard of my boyfriend. So if you want to learn by a voiceover how to do a beard, then continue watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So let's get into this video right away for you to learn how to do a beard, how to line it properly, and how to make it as symmetrical as possible. So let's go. Time for the beard. Are you as excited as me? So we will take the 2mm wall little clipper thing. So this wall clipper, we used it before in our previous video, and we will trim the beard as much as we can because we all know that it's really long. And since his hair is very curly, we're gonna take a little comb and we will brush down the hair for better results. So that's one thing that I can give you, is to brush down the hair first, and then you go back with the clipper and the trimmer and you will trim down the hair as much as you can. And of course, you want to go all around and make everything as symmetrical as possible. Brush and you clip and you brush. The wall clipper, oh yay. We'll go with the straight clipper to clean up everything around. So we all know that everything needs to cleaned up because I don't have any razors. I don't want to use a razor. So yeah. And then you brush down the mustache because we want the curly hair to be able to be cutting properly. So we will trim the mustache a little bit higher than the lips so the mustache itself doesn't go into the mouth when he's eating or when he's drinking or anything. And you have to go also over the mustache, clean up everything to make everything as straight as possible with the clipper, and going under and removing the extra hair that you have everywhere around. Sorry, I can't talk. And removing the hair all over his body because everything is everywhere. And of course, you want to clean up the sides to make the beard really straight on the side. You go all the way under the beard, but not all the way. You know, you want to leave some hair under the neck, because if you don't and the person like looks downwards or anything, you will see that there's another thing of hair. And then we will go with the straight clipper from wall, the small one, to clean up everything, the small hair, and also the brows, because he does have a unibrow and we want to clean up this. He has a lot of hair under the eyes, over the eye, on the sides, and also he also has like a scar in his eyebrow and he really likes it. It's like kind of a unique feature, so we want to go into that scar and we want to clean it up to make it look even better. And of course, the unibrow time, which is one of my favorite parts of the eyebrow. We clean up all these hair, we cut it, and it's just gonna make it look very nice and clean. And of course, I'm going over all the time over the beard because there's like hair and everything. It's not the like most expensive clipper, so of course it's not gonna be as beautiful as I would want it to be, but it still does a great job at cleaning up everything and make it look nice. And you want to do this also for around the ears and everything, under the beard, to make sure that the beard is really cleaned up properly. So then we will trim the hair under where the neck is with the scissors, because it's gonna give better results than the clipper. Sometimes the clipper, it's really hard to go into these areas, so I like to brush down a little bit the hair. So that's what I'm doing, and I cut the extra hair that is on his beard. I'm doing the same thing on the side, which is a harder area for the clipper to get, and under the jawline as well. And it's gonna just give a nice trimmed look so nothing is coming off. And he is now looking at the result and he's super excited. I literally do this all the time. I do his beard all the time. So, and I always go back because I always find a hair that's really annoying to me. I just try to make it as good as possible. Of course, both sides are not going to be the same. You know, sometimes the beard has more hair on one side than the other. So one side is going to be higher than the other. And I try to make it as nice as possible for this. And his unibrow too, I go back and forth. Usually I do it with tweezers, but now today we did it with the wall clipper. And some hair is annoying. Like I have to go back and forth. And he likes the result. You know, he's laughing because we're just joking around and putting some music. And of course I did the hair video, so if ever you want to go check it out, you can go up and down. And this smells so good. I love putting this because I think it's so manly, the smell, and I absolutely love it. he showed me that I had like a hair on my lips, so that's why I had to go back. And I'm taking care of my little boyfriend. I really love him, making sure his beard. And I like to put this alcohol back on his face just because, you know, the clippers sometimes can be irritating for the skin and we want to sanitize everything on his face. Sanitize, wash your hands and everything in these times. It's really important. And of course, I'm going to be giving him a big kiss. And I had some lipstick on the side. And that is the final result. So any questions, it is down below. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more of those awesome videos. So I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday. And if you don't want to miss any video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So I really love you, beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.